And so on the surface, I was focusing on consciousness teaching the brain and body to socially engage with itself with an emphasis on nurturing internal attachments. But beyond awareness, explicit and implicit memory data from decades ago was achieving newfound levels of neural connectivity, which was then covertly affecting navigation and regulation in the unconscious body-mind. How my self was instinctively maneuvering its own existence was changing as neural connectivity expanded while applying these practices.